Good afternoon. Bill Baker here with United Country Real Estate. My good friend Sean Mills and I, we're down here in the Yadkin River Valley. This is the South Yadkin River, bordering 48 acres of beautiful pasture land and bottomland, also supporting two wonderful Perdue foundation layer houses. These eggs right here are where all the good chicken you love to eat on Sunday morning come from. Tell you what, you want a beautiful place to enjoy life, raise a family, great hunting and fishing down on the Yadkin River, beautiful home sites, and got a nice home and a mobile home up on top of the hill. This operation's ready for you. Take that money out of that stock market, put it to work where you can stand on your investment. Give us a call, 434-374-2011. Ask for my friend Sean Mills.